Shiba Inu coin news today. SHIB explosion inbound. Shiba to 10 cents confirmed soon. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the juiciest and best news that you will not hear anywhere else, as well as giving you Shiba Inu price analysis and SHIB prediction. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because this one is fire. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is a token that runs on the ERC20 network of the Ethereum blockchain, or Ethereum mainnet. It can be swapped using an Ethereum-compatible wallet such as MetaMask by connecting to Shiba Swap, which is a decentralized exchange, or DEX. SHIB is part of this DEX as one of its native tokens, which include leash and bone. Shiba Inu was conceived as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. The founder, who goes by the name 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, said this: "We believe through the power of collective decentralization we can build something stronger than a centralized team ever could create." Collective decentralization, as 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝗁 envisioned, meant no central leadership, where the community is invited to participate. Founders and developers alike work on a voluntary basis. The goal is set for future self-governance, built by the community for the community. SHIB was launched on August 1, 2020, and the contract was deployed with 1 quadrillion tokens. Half the supply was sent to 𝗦𝗲𝗁𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and burnt. By the time of this writing, the remaining SHIB supply is 497,729 trillion. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently for many different reasons, and the main reasons being that the coin recently got listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba also very recently hit 900,000 followers on Twitter and looks likely to hit 1 million followers in the near future. This makes SHIB one of the most followed tokens on social media. Shiba Inu whale who purchased 6 trillion coins buys another 276 billion within hours. An unidentified and mysterious Shiba Inu whale is on a shopping spree loading up huge bags of SHIB coins under her portfolio. Just on Friday, the whale purchased a whopping 6 trillion coins, paying a staggering $43,838,916, and on Saturday, the same whale purchased 116 billion coins. Hours later purchased another 159 billion coins and finally ended the buying spree by purchasing 1 billion SHIB coins. All these 3 transactions took place hours apart on the same day. The total number of SHIB coins purchased in a single day by the whale stands at 276 billion, along with 6 trillion SHIB coins that was purchased on Friday. The large bags of purchase gave SHIB a boost in the day's trade as the coin shot up +5% and settled at around +3%. Whales have taken strong entry positions in Shiba Inu by buying mammoth amounts of coins, and the latest developments hint that a major listing could well be on its way. While whales took entry position during the last week of June, SHIB got listed on eToro. Whales again made entry in SHIB during the last week of July. SHIB saw getting itself listed on Webull and Coinbase Pro in August. Similarly, whales dominated Shiba Inu transactions all throughout August, and in September, SHIB was listed on Binance and Coinbase. The latest moves by the whales indicate that another major listing could be on its way, and reports are doing the rounds in the crypto sphere that Robinhood could list Shiba Inu right after they release their much-awaited crypto wallet. Shiba Inu remains bullish in the market and has managed to knock out 4 zeros from its trade from September 2020 to September 2021. Investors believe by September 2022, the coin could remove a 0 or 2. As it's now available for purchase at top trading platforms, making it easier for investors to buy it than go on tedious steps of exchange swaps and pay insane deductions of up to 10% or more. Coin burning strategy should get Shiba Inu out of the doghouse. It's unfortunate that dog-themed altcoin Shiba Inu is considered a joke by some traders. Sure, Shiba Inu started off as a meme coin, but let's not ignore the token's evolution into a much more serious crypto asset. Perhaps some investors are deterred by the coin's low price. As we'll see, it's far below a penny, or even 1/100th of a penny. This means that the Shiba Inu token is prone to rapid price swings. Therefore, all position sizes should be small. Please don't load the boat on this one. That being said, it's perfectly fine to accumulate some SHIB coins for their strong growth potential. Plus, they can be useful as a hedge against dollar inflation, a point reinforced by a well-considered token pool reduction strategy. Coinbase Clout. Some commentators will claim that Shiba Inu's recent listing on Coinbase Global's cryptocurrency exchange should be considered the headline story. I'll grant that it was a real game changer when Coinbase revealed that SHIB would be available for trading on Coinbase Pro starting June 17th. Coinbase's Sept. 16 blog posting reinforces this point. On that day, the company made the Shiba Inu coin available on Coinbase.com and in the Coinbase Android and iOS apps. Clearly, this little coin has come a long way since its launch in August of 2020, getting a full Coinbase listing, not to mention tweets from the likes of Elon Musk and 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, has raised SHIB's profile and earned it some respect. The Coinbase cloud has also buoyed the token's price. Simply getting listed on Coinbase Pro caused the Shiba Inu price to soar 28.87% in just one day, burning desire for higher prices. In the long run, however, I'll contend that Coinbase's influence won't be the primary catalyst for higher SHIB prices. Rather, it will be the Shiba Inu token's value as a hedge against the dollar's inevitable decline in value. Remember, the annualized US dollar inflation rate has been 5% or greater for 4 consecutive months. While the government continues to print up dollars, Shiba Inu's developers are taking swift action to prevent the cryptocurrency's devaluation. Not long ago, the project's developers announced what's known as a coin burn. This means that a coin holder transfers a portion of his or her assets to a wallet that nobody can access. In effect, this destroys those coins and thereby reduces the cryptocurrency's total supply. SHIB started with a supply of 1 quadrillion, but the Shiba Inu team gave 50% of it to 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, who burned most of that in a dead wallet. Recently, the token's developers tweeted that they have implemented a burn procedure to reduce the supply. Moreover, they revealed a $25,000 SHIB burn that has already taken place. The bottom line is that traders should keep an eye out for more coin burns in the near future. In the dynamic between supply and value, less is definitely more. Sure, it's possible to own Shiba Inu tokens for their moonshot potential. After all, a timely tweet could send the price higher instantly. If you're not seeking quick gains, though, then you might consider holding SHIB as an inflation hedge. You'll have the backing of the coin's developers, who are serious about keeping the supply under control. Shiba Inu prediction. Currently, Shiba is up 3.4% in the past 24 hours and is up 4.7% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of $3.834 billion. Shiba has had a trading volume of $234,492,241 in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu looks likely to be stagnant over the next couple of weeks until the highly anticipated Robinhood listing happens. The Shiba Inu Robinhood listing looks more and more likely every single day as Robinhood downloads plunge, and the stock has also dropped in value recently. Everyone knows that Robinhood is currently testing out a new feature to add crypto coins to the platform, and there is no way of denying that listing Shiba Inu coin would definitely bring the app a lot of new traffic and new users. The Robinhood listing would definitely spike Shiba Inu's price short-term, and it would also have good long-term effects on the coin. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.